Hello everyone, welcome to NK Diecast. This is Jhonny Lightning 1964 Ford Thunderbolt. Burgundy poly color. It's a very beautiful car. It's a very beautiful color with a contrast, golden and burgundy color. The car looks very beautiful. It's a limited edition, one of 3508 muscle car. Definitely a keeper for a collector, or definitely a keeper for a Thunderbolt lovers. Definitely, I like Thunderbolts and I love this car. It's a very beautiful car. You can see, the Tusker Ford written on it. Then you can see Bill Lawton. Very beautiful, neat job by Jhonny Lightning. It has a metal base. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye. Take care.